In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up recurring tasks in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want the recurring task to live. Once you are on the board, go to the top of the page and click Automate. This opens the Automation Center where Monday.com stores ready-made automation options and settings for actions that run on a schedule. When the Automation Center appears, move to the search bar and type every time period. This helps narrow the results so you can find a recurring option without scrolling through unrelated automation recipes. Look for the result labeled every time period, create an item, then click Use Template under that option to open its setup window. With the template open, the first part to configure is the schedule. Click the Every Time Period section in the template. Monday.com will let you choose how often the automation should run. You can set it to run daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on the type of task you need to repeat. After choosing the frequency, select the interval and the time when the automation should run. This is the part that controls when a new task will be created. So make sure the timing matches the routine you want on the board. After the schedule is set, move to the item portion of the template. Click the area labeled an item. Here, enter the name of the recurring task that should be created each time the automation runs. You can also add the details that belong in that item, based on what your board setup allows in the template. This is the information Monday.com will use each time it creates the new task automatically, so it is worth checking the wording before you save it. Once both parts are configured, review the automation one more time. Confirm that the repeat schedule is correct, confirm that the selected time is the one you want, and make sure the item name and details match the task you intend to generate on a recurring basis. A small scheduling mistake here can create items at the wrong time or on the wrong cycle. So this final check helps avoid extra cleanup later. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. That saves the setup and activates the recurring task automation on the board. From that point forward, Monday.com will create a new item based on the schedule and item details you selected in the template. Your recurring task automation is now active in Monday.com and set to create items on the schedule you chose.